Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we will draw the Black American who invented the potato chip, Chef George Crum. Let's get started by making his face. We are going to make a curved line like this, and let's make a small curved line. And let's match this line by going up like this. And let's make his ears by making a C shape on one side here and a C shape or backwards C shape on the other side. All right, let's make two wavy lines on one side above the ear and two wavy lines going up. And let's make sure the line matches the end of the wavy line. All right, so let's come across by making a horizontal line. And let's make his chef hat by going up like this on both sides. And let's make two big wavy lines and come in. All right, let's make a small horizontal line from here to here. And let's make three vertical lines on the chef hat. Okay, let's make his eyes by making two rainbow shapes like this and a U to connect. Let's draw a circle inside each eye curve line at the bottom of the eye. And let's make two eyebrows. Let's make a U shape or a curved line that looks almost like a U. And let's make his mustache by going up like this, then a small curve, then going down like that, and making a curved line like this, and doing the other side. All right, let's make his mouth underneath his mustache. All right, now let's shade in the mustache. All right, so we are done with his face. Let's make his body. He's wearing an apron, a chef's apron. So we are going to go underneath his face and go out like this and do the other side and connect the apron by making a horizontal line. And let's go down just a little bit and then across, then connect. All right, let's make his legs. So we're going to make a vertical line like this, go across and connect. And let's make another leg, which pretty much looks like a rectangle, and come down and connect. Let's make his shoes by making a rainbow shape like this underneath each rectangle. And let's shade it in. So we're shading in the shoes, or you can just color the shoes any color you prefer. I'm going to use black. All right, let's make his arms. We are going to have his arms behind his back, a curved line like this, and a curved line coming out like this into the apron. And let's make a diagonal line here and a diagonal line here. All right, let's design this apron. I'm going to put a potato chip. So we're going to make a line or a wavy line and then connect. And let's make horizontal lines going across to give the potato chips a little bit of detail. All right, and next to him, we are going to have a sack of potatoes. All right, so let's make a curved line here, and then a larger curved line going out like this, and then curved line like this, then another one like this, and then another one that's not so big like this, then come out, and then come out again, and then we're going to connect this end to this end. And let's make another line going across. All right, so we are going to draw the potatoes. So we are going to show some overlapping. All right, so curved lines like this, or small heels. And let's make one here. And let's make a line like this, or a wavy line like this, to make it look as if the potatoes are bulging. So there's a lot of potatoes. So we are done drawing Chef George Crum. The next thing we need to do is color. I hope you had fun coloring history, and if you would like reading and writing resources about this historical figure, then check out my Teacher Pay Teacher page.